Hello, so day 3. I know we are making progress, but very slowly. That's fine. That's fine with me. I'm not sure if it's fine with you. So, so last day what we did is we installed Android Studio, and the last thing that I did not show you is let me show you what I did not show you. So, oh, not this one, sorry. So in SDK Manager, I installed the Android 11 SDK because in React Native, uh, they say something like that. So requires the Android 11 R SDK in particular. So that's why I installed the Android 11 SDK. So another thing I wanted to clarify is something I struggled with stupidly. Let's go here. This is the one. So optional, add installation home bin to your path environment variable so that you can start Android Studio from any directory. So I was trying to do it from let's show you from where. Okay, so let's show you. I guess this is fine for you. The font size will be fine. So this profile, this is basically for login shells, and what login shells are is login shells are only. Let me explain it to you. What are login shells? So a login shell is a shell given to a user upon login into their user account. So the shell is only given when someone logs in, when the user logs in. But in normal cases, this profile does not get executed. So adding the the path variable there will not work. So so what we can do is, let's read what was the purpose of adding the path, so that you can start Android Studio from any directory. So if we want to start Android Studio from any directory, we should be adding the path to this location to the path environment. So what we can do is we can add this to bashrc. So let's say export. I forgot how to. I think. What? Sorry, I sometimes I make some stupid mistakes. Export path. Android Studio bin. I think that is what we need to do. Let's check. There's an example of how to add. Okay, so this is how we add it. How to add. Okay. Okay. So this is how. So this is actually the path variable, and this will get attached. I mean, appended to this this string. So if I now source this bash rc, so did you see, like, I can execute studio.sh from anywhere. So that's great. But we are already running, so it just said, yeah, it's already running. Why are you executing it again? Great. Let's zoom in a bit. So we are done with this part. Install Android Studio. While on Android Studio installation wizard, make sure the box is next to. So I think we have done this. Android virtual device. Then click next to the. Oh, can I? How can I open the virtual device? Virtual device manager. Create virtual device. Let's create a virtual device. This is great. I think this is very exciting. I've done it before, I guess, sometime in the past. Which phone should I so Pixel XL is, I think it's very old. Let's do, oh, I don't know. Let's do Pixel 5, why not? Next. Yes, let's do this. Do I need to download it? Yes, I have selected our system image. Do I need to download it? Why? Okay, we need to download it, and this is 620. We don't have this. I think I installed it last night. We don't have this. That's sad. So that was the SDK, and this is what? SDK quick fix installation. So what am I downloading now? Oh my god, this is gonna take some time. This is 620.3 megabyte. Okay, so while this gets downloaded, let's see if we can move on. So configure the Android SDK root environment variable. The React Native tools require some environment variables to be set up in order to build apps with native code. So let's add this path variables. and we can use this in add this in bash rc. That is okay. Oh. So vi bash rc. I hope this will be enough to add the path variable. We can check bash rc, and we can check the path. So we can why did not it get attached twice? The Android Studio bin, I don't know. So let's change some things. Let's keep the formatting same. Home, then library. Let's go close this shell and let's see what is happening. Okay, so now this is okay, I guess. So Home Sami Android Studio bin is added to the path variable, and Home Sami Library Android SDK emulator, Home Sami Library Android SDK platform tools. But let's check if it is okay. Do I even have a library? I don't even have a library here. So SDK, platform tools, SDK emulator. This is emulator. I don't even have a library. Why did they made me add this library? So this is not gonna work. So let's change it. Bash rc. We don't have this library directory. We have just Android. So I'll get out of there. I'll close this and add another. I'll zoom in and I'll check what is the path variable now. So Home Sami Android Studio bin, Home Sami Android SDK emulator, Home Sami Android SDK platform tools. Now here is another problem. Oh my god. Okay. So this SDK is capital letter and this SDK is small letter. So what we can do is we can edit it again. I should have sourced it. Let's just close it because sourcing it multiple times becomes a bit, problem. Echo path. So I think it is okay now. So this is okay. Finish this one. Next. Okay, finish. And we can run it. I hope we can run it. Whoa! So, for some reason my mic stopped working and then my computer stopped working. So I could not record after 17th minute mark when we had 13 minutes left. So I'm re-recording this part. So let's get started. So the last thing I did was, so I played this button and this virtual device opened. So then we can go here. So we were installing this one. We did these things, and then there's Watchman. I don't think we need to install Watchman because I think these things are handled by Xpo CLI. So we will just go to Xpo CLI, and I want to show you one thing. So once you have set this up, meaning set the virtual device up, which is this one, you can launch your app on an Android virtual device by running npm run Android or the iOS simulator by npm run iOS. I ran this, and that's when my computer stopped working. So but that's okay, there is another alternative. So I was here, so I will go to my project that we set up I think in the first video. So I will open this project in Visual Studio Code. I ran the project, so these files are open. So what we can do is, so you will see that there are two scripts, Expo Start and Expo Start Android. This command will actually run this virtual machine, so that's fine. Let's do it. Start, and let's start Android. Oh, I'm checking this because for some reason this mic gets full, gets full volume, and then everything becomes noisy. So I'm checking this. I don't know why it happens, but it might be because I'm running a virtual machine for some weird reason. I don't know. So you can see the virtual machine, so the project opened. So if you remember from the first video, what I did was I chose the project with the boilerplate code, with 2 tabs. So these are the 2 tabs. So this I think this is our project, and I will go through the project structure quickly. So we have this expo directory. There are some configuration files which I will not go through now because I don't even know myself what are these. There's some JSON for expo shared. I don't know what it is. So this is for basically VS Code related settings and React related settings for VS Code. So nothing is there. This directory is empty. There are some assets in fonts directory. There are some font. In images there are some images. So that's that. So components, there are some components here. Constants, so some files in the constants. I think these are more related with so these are actually constants. These are almost like setup and themes and other stuffs. So that's the constants, things that don't change, the setups or settings that don't change. So these are the constants. So you can see the hooks here. So React hooks, we can write more our custom hooks here. We can add some hooks. So, and navigation, we have some navigation files here. I don't know, FontAwesome cannot be used as a JSX component. It's instance type component icon prop search. So for some reason this is throwing an error, but I don't know why it is throwing an error, because this code, I did not write this code. This code came from Expo CLI, so this should work. Linking, configuration, again some configuration for navigation. So in screens we have 4 screens: tab 1 screen, tab 2 screen. No not found screen, modal screen, so some screens here. And let's go to our entry point, but before, what is app.json, some other configurations, app.tsx. so this is actually our entry point for the code. So that's that. I will see you in the next video. I will stop this video now. See you, and thanks for watching.